Hi everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to install that USB dongle Wi-Fi adapter to Ubuntu 16.04 or Ubuntu 18.04. It works fine in both Ubuntu systems. First of all, I want to give many thanks, congratulations, to Chaimp because I found this tutorial on ubuntu.com. Recommendation: still on board Wi-Fi card enable if you have one, or better, if it's possible, retire the old Wi-Fi on board adapter and just follow these commands. I left these commands in the video descriptions and this link too. I left this on the video descriptions. Thanks. Bye.